Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. Given an equilateral triangle T1 with side 24 centimeter, a second triangle T2 is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of T1. So we have an equilateral triangle, side is 24 cm. Okay. And the area of this triangle is T1. Another triangle is obtained by joining the midpoints of this triangle. Okay, so let's join the midpoints. And area of this triangle is given as T2. Okay. Then a third triangle T3 is formed by joining the midpoints of sides of T2. A third triangle is drawn inside this. If this process of forming triangles is continued, the sum of areas in square centimeter of infinitely many such triangles T1, T2, T3 will be what? Okay, so let's see this first. So we know the total area. Okay, so the area that we need to find out is area of T1, the outer triangle, plus the area of inner triangle T2, plus the triangle inside T2 which will be T3, plus this will go on. Okay, and how many triangles can we form? So if we start drawing triangles inside triangle and inside triangle, it's not a finite number, so there will be infinite triangles. Okay, so this will go on till infinite numbers. Okay, now see, this triangle T2 is exactly dividing the outer triangle into 4 equal parts. So whatever is the area of the outer triangle T1, T2 will be 1/4 of that, because this triangle is dividing an equilateral triangle into 4 equal parts. And this case will always be true. Any triangle drawn by joining the midpoints of an equilateral triangle will divide the outer triangle into 4 equal parts. Okay, because this is same, and this is same. So area of all these 4 triangles will be same. So T2 will divide the bigger triangle into 4 equal parts. Now that we have got this, we can say this area is T1 plus, now what is T2? T2 is T1 by 4, right? Because T2 has divided the T1 into 4 equal parts. Similarly, if we draw another triangle inside this T2, it will be like this, by joining the midpoints. Then this T3, the triangle in red, has divided T2 into 4 equal parts. Okay, so similar way we can say T3 is actually T2 by 4. Okay, so every triangle is dividing the outer into 4 parts. So T3 is T2 by 4, and this will go on till infinity. Now we know a relation between T2 and T1. Okay, so going forward, the areas of all the triangles we can write in terms of T1. So this will be T1 plus T1 by 4 plus T2 is T1 by 4, right? So we have substituted here. If you see T2, what we have written, T2 is T1 by 4. So here we can say T3 is T2 by 4, or we can say this is T1 by 16. Okay, and the area of next triangle will be T1 by 64, and this will go on. Okay, so now if you see T1, this term is 1 by 4th of the previous term. Third term is again 1 by 4th of the second term, right? And this fourth term is again 1 by 4th of the third term. So this is clearly a GP. This series is in GP with ratio of 1 by 4. Okay, and first term being T1. So we need to find out the sum, and we know the formula of sum for a GP series. So what will be the sum or the total area? This will be first term, which is T1, okay, into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Okay, we know this formula. Now what is n here? Okay, n is infinite. Okay, so if n is infinite and the r, the ratio is 1 by 4th, okay, then in that case what will be r to the power n? So r to the power n is nothing but, let's write this, t1, we know the side of triangle is 24, so t1 will be root 3 by 4 into 24 into 24, okay, and 1 minus r to the power n is 1 by 4 to the power infinity, right, because r is 1 by 4, and 1 minus 1 by 4. So now if you see 1 by 4 to the power infinity, so the denominator will be too big, okay, and if denominator is too big here, 1 by a very large number will tend to 0. So the value of this part will be equivalent to 0. So if this is equivalent to 0, in the numerator we will have 1 minus 0, that will be 1, okay, and in the denominator we have 3 by 4, okay. So this expression can be written as root 3 by 4 into 24 into 24, and we have 1 by 3 by 4, so this will be 4 by 3, okay. So this 4 will get cancelled, this 3 is 8, 24 at 192, so this will be 192 root 3, which will be the answer, okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.